Here we have a 2014 Subaru Forester, 30,000 miles, one owner with a clean Carfax, dark charcoal gray. Subaru brand that's known for low cost ownership, safety, reliability, very brand loyal as well. Many people who buy a Subaru will buy another Subaru or will buy them again. So goes to show you that the owners are happy with the product. Very reliable, practical transportation here, all-wheel drive, good gas mileage, and decent utility and cargo room. Like I say, this one is charcoal gray. As we work around to the side, you can see we got Michelin tires over half. We got a steel wheel here, but no real scuffs or scrapes on it. We also got a nice resurfaced rotor, thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. We put the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. So if you come to take a look at it, please ask the sales associate to see that detailed mechanical report. As we look in through the passenger side here, you can see we have light gray cloth seating, 2 bucket seats, full console flows in between. We've got dark charcoal carpeting. Have a manual adjustment on that passenger seat. Got a two-tone, light gray, dark charcoal interior layout here, as you can see. Open up the rear. It's just a 5-passenger SUV. You see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupant. We also have the factory slush mats down there to protect the carpeting. But very, very clean interior. I want to show you too here. We do have matching Michelins. This is actually about 3/4 tread here. Again, scuff-free steel wheel and resurfaced rotor there on the back also. Do have the factory mud flaps there as well. Continue around to the back. See the Subaru logo, Forester. All-wheel drive, of course. See there. Let's go ahead and pop this hatch. Just want to show you plenty of room back here for your cargo. So have a privacy cargo cover here. As you can see, we got a cargo net. Hold your items. There's also your latch for your child seats. 12-volt power supply back here as well. If you want to do a little tailgating or charge your electrical device. Another cargo net here for the front, as you can see. So a lot of utility there. Also, your full-size spare is underneath this foam insert. Now, this foam insert here is just for, a little bit of utility. Put some items. Let's go ahead and shut the hatch. We'll continue around here to the driver's side. Again, just want to show you the matching Michelin's, about 3/4 tread there as well. Scuff-free steel wheel. And just give you a shot here from the driver's side. Like I say, very, very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. And we'll just give you a shot here at driver's side. Again, manual adjustment on that driver's seat. There you can see the cockpit. Now I'm going to continue the tour here, kind of give you an idea of what it's like behind the wheel. I like to show the key. You can see integrated key fob there. Power deck release. We also got your power windows, locks, mirrors right there on the door. Go ahead and start it up. Get you a behind the wheel look here. There you see 30,179 miles. Very good miles for a 14. Let's continue on. We got, looks like your dimmer switch over here. Ability to shut off your traction control. Headlamps are on this left stem, as well as your high beams and turn signals. Intermittent wiper washers front and rear on the right stem. Audio controls on your steering wheel. Got your voice activation for your Bluetooth. Cruise control is on the right. Got your standard AM/FM satellite radio single CD over here. Controls are pretty basic. There's your display in the center. Climate controls below that. Automatic floor shift. 2 large cup holders. Pull handle for your emergency brake. 12-volt power supply down there. Hard to show you down there, but that's your connectivity, USB, another 12-volt power supply, audio pre-in and out. Power or auto dimming rearview mirror, LED map lights. Got your mirror there. Looks good. I think we got a Boxster 4-cylinder engine in this thing. It's a Subaru staple. Really a good engine. It's what allows them to get good performance, excellent efficiency. They've used it for a long time. Should be a 2.45 liter, excuse me. There you have it. That's the Subaru engine right there. Very reliable. Like I say, great engine. Very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. So you got your yellow highlighted caps to check all and fill your major fluids. No corrosion on the electrical terminals. A very well maintained, clean, good running engine there. Like I say, Subaru is used for a long, long time. Now, let's go ahead and shut this car off. Get into the next portion of the video. The next portion I really think helps differentiate us here at Thomas, not only we up front in our pricing, as well as the mechanical condition, as I spoke of earlier. My job is to kind of show you the cosmetic condition now. Like I say, it's a one owner. All the body lines are nice, straight, and clean. Shows no sign of any accidents. If I notice any chips, scratches, dings, or dents, I'll try to point them out to you guys. Be your eyes and your ears, your nose. Kind of act as if you're coming right along with me on this car, checking it over if you would have an interest in it. So far, the fender, the doors look good. It's a little bit of minor scratching on the back side of this door. Another one right there. I don't know if that'll show up. Very minor, but like I say, a couple little chips there. A little bit of dust on it here, but of course you got a little stuff in here on that protector, but that's what it's there for. Deck lid looks good. Front of the rear fascia looks fine. Quarter panel looks good. Haven't noticed any real dings or dents, scrapes. I mean, all I've got is a little bit of dust here. Little bit of scratching on this door as well, back about the same place as the passenger or driver's side, excuse me. Couple little chips here on the door. Little mark right there, as you can see. Little mark down there. A couple there on that passenger door. Checking out the fender. Fender looks good. Now we got a little bit of chipping, bug damage. I'm not going to point out every single one, but very common. The aerodynamics of these cars nose down, very common to get some stone chips and bug damage down here on the front. The hood has them as well. There again, I'm going to quickly kind of pass over. You can see there some chips. Now some of this is just a little bit of dust and whatnot, but there you see just a few chips. Really the hood chipping and bug damage and stuff is probably the worst of the damage that I see on this car, but still very much a like new alternative. Great value over new. Still has the remainder of the factory powertrain coverage, so you can buy this car with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. Hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.